fishy brutally. Yay! Zonke bonke. Karabo! Utkaba jote. Kodalela ngwaneso. Now inspired relation. I don't wanna lie, I'm inspired. I'm inspired, just that me now. I'm inspired, Shaman. I'm happy for you and congratulations. And I owe you regret out to celebrate. Like, you took a huge step. Nah, I don't feel like I'm ready to like work on bank balance. Like, nah, I'm happy for you, one so I don't wanna lie. Bevar babies won't compare alone. I go ever. Hey, when out do you teacher? Hey, carry yo, gal. Did you allow her to finish what she started at me? Yes, my love. It was just content. Guys, it was just content. I was trying, like, you know what, my girl has moved to the phone, so I was trying to promote her work. I know really not looking negatively at the rat. So if I want to push her business, I have to get back at something. Libono road, yeah, I was. The Tagani via negative. We had a negative. None of my fellow Tagani via 2023. Hasebagu, kia sebagu ya, it was hasebagu. My fella agam restisi. Odo arresta jalegile ay. Kia ofora arresta chu. Waresta kia pamaga. I love you too, Isaac. Hi, Nico. Where do I do it? Evan, now call me from baby night. Guys, don't deal at call Begley. Don't polite sagada, man. Yay! Now go jegi single bell sadi church. Nothing happened to my hairstyle, baby. I was just trying to promote my girl's work. Ke try to promote la ngwanyana ga mmerego ai ore batho ba khona o bona. Ba ga mo studio ena le babe. Ke tsana le wena chomi. We regile go kabana. Venda to yando, I will tell you. The gift hamper the regular. What do regular no kabani? Even there no one I guess a groove guys. Na groove ya guy fell 2023 kitagana la maifal. From there I told myself, you know what? Kena msadi wa wontra. Yala for. Le don bona di groove. Mirire we begiria content tle. Ke be ke try to promote la ngwanyana ka bana ba ba guy. Bana ba ga ba ba bona ba se jele bo mabo bona ba need. Bana ba ga ba ne mabo bona ba need. Because nna ke na mabo na fiki nna azango mbana gene ngwana mara dombusa ngwana wa ga ngwana mo fiki. If azango mbana ke bobuji ngwana ska mbutisa ka ngwana. Ke to ka sero sa tsebo mbana ke bobuji ngwana azanga thangana na ke tsori tholo o ba ke bobuji ngwana ba ke tsori thari o ba ke tsori ka dressa sa azanga thangana na ke tsori melege o ba ke go gile di pampers azanga thangana na ke bobuji o ba ke kwa skaleni jigi dombu sorry ngwana o ga bana ba ga ba fiyo sala mbana ke le pregnant nna if azanga wa mbana ke le pregnant ka musa ka ngwana. You want to meet me in real life? You don't think I'm chomi. You do like ke dia manala tšhomi go ka re ka motetši banna Casey banna wa e batetše ka mo ene